jumping on the bed, Norm fell off and bumped their head. Home comes the doctor and the doctor said, put those monkeys straight to bed. Whee! Whee! This is fun! Whee! Whee! This is really fun! Whee! Could you kids please try quieting down? I'm trying to do my schoolwork. Oh, come on, Mike. Why do you even need to do that schoolwork? It's not like we go to school. Yeah, nobody's making you do your schoolwork, so why are you doing it? Because I still like to learn. Yeah, sure. I think you just want us to go away so you can doodle in peace. What do you think, Sally? You're probably right. He just wants to draw. Yeah, big Mimi. Just keep it down while I try to read. Let's see here. Where was I? Ah, yes. What is the what? How does a fungus function without chlorophyll? Easy. It just calls up chlorophyll's cousin. Be quiet, Sally. Yeah, maybe. That's the answer. What do you think, Sally? Yeah, maybe that's it, Sam. Can you kids please be quiet?